that was fun.
The last video with concrete, we said we were short on the 3 forms. So we have a skid steer coming out here in the next couple days. So right now we're doing the batter boards and we're laying out for the porches. So we got the skid steer out here with an auger. So we're gonna drill the holes for the porches, and then when we order the concrete for these 3 holes, we have 8 holes for the porches, for the porch in the back, and then we have 2 holes for the porch in the front. So we're gonna drill all those out this week, and hopefully before New Year's, which hopefully this video will come out right about that time, hopefully we can get the concrete out. I don't know, we're gonna have to call the Ready Mix when they open and see if they can get us on the schedule for this coming week. No guarantees, so hopefully we can get it done. But right now we set up the batter board on the other side. We just set up this one, so we're just extending these string lines out. I'm just kind of taking a guess as to where this screw is on the string line. And then all we're doing is taking this new string line and hooking it in on the nail on the other side, and then running it right over top of the other one so that we can just extend it out and not have to worry about messing with our building being square or not. So Tina's gonna run that end down, she'll tie it off, and then that'll go right over top of the other one, like I said, and then we can place this screw wherever it needs to be. You're good. Leave that one tied, yeah?
Huh?
Okay. What are you doing?
What?
Are you just tying it in a knot?
No.
Oh, you already had it done. Got it. Seems good to me. Perfect, because I think it needs to go right here. Tie that bad boy, and we'll see. That ain't perfect. I don't know what is. Okay, so now that I move this, it makes it harder to see, but you can see this right over top of the other one. So we'll pull this string line off. We're just using this one temporarily. We're gonna use this one for the back row of the porch. So we'll continue on with this string line that we had. We'll pull it off and then put this on this batter board back here. Like a puppet master here, pulling strings. And we should be right where we need to be. All right, so we measured out from this screw to the crosshairs over there, and then we just subtracted back, and we put a couple screws where we think we need them. So we'll get this string line up, and then we can confirm whether or not the screws are correct, and then make our adjustments. All right, so now we're gonna measure back, and we'll see if these crosshairs are where they need to be.
Both. over too far.
Too far?
Yeah, it's got to go over 3/4 of an inch.
In or out?
That way.
So in. Good thing that didn't shoot that screw out. It would have launched it into oblivion. I'd never found it.
Why is that funny? That way. Wait, too far. Come back. It's good. Right there.
More towards the inside or more towards the outside? Where should I
Right
put the
on,
screw?
literally, right on 5/8.
Alright, we'll try that.
Yep.
Good?
Yep.
Okay, so this side is, so right now it's 8 feet from the back wall and it's 8 feet to here. So our plans call for the porch posts are 8 foot exactly from the post of the house. Or it would be 7 foot 10.5 from the outside of the girt to the outside of this post. So we're gonna go down and measure the other side now, and then if we get that one right, the diagonals should also be correct.
Okay. The porch is so tall.
Yeah, this one should be lower, huh?
Oh
Not
my
sure.
gosh, it's like almost there.
Is it?
You're an 1/8 off.
Dang. You know it's gonna be incredibly difficult to move it just an eighth now. Because the freaking screw, I think, is 3/16 of an inch or something.
Right? Because you said 4.5.
I think it was, yeah. We can measure though. It's money. Okay, see what you got over there. And then we can check our diagonals. All right, so she's down there. She's just rechecking that side.
Yep, we're good.
So I don't know if that picked up, but she said we're good. So you can kind of see here the width of the porch. I don't know how well this picks up, but from there to there, it's 8 feet. Looking at it like this, it almost looks like it's too small. Probably should have gone bigger, but I guess we said that with the house and we just started talking about it, and I think we're gonna have more room on the house than we expected, because we're gonna change some things around. So once the building gets up, we'll see. We did talk about putting like a table out on the back porch, dining room table, which probably could. I guess we'll see once it's built, but if not, we also talked about, we were kind of joking there about outdoor kitchen, but we actually did talk about that fire pit, outdoor kitchen area back here, just outside of the house. Just like basically a covered gazebo kind of thing, open sides. So we may do that down the road, but I think this will look good for now. So we'll get started on the front porch. Front porch is easy. Front porch is 8 foot by 9 foot, I think. 8 by 9.5, something like that. So pretty easy on the front porch. So we'll move everything up there and get started on that one. All right, so we finished the porch the other day. We just finished up the front porch today. Got my dad and my father-in-law out here. They're kind of taking the forms down. got the skid steer back out here so we can drill the porch holes and move some gravel. So we're gonna get started on that now. Unfortunately, the concrete company is closed on Friday, so we could not get concrete till next week. So we'll have everything ready. So we'll drill these footers out and we'll build some forms, stick the cardboard in, and then we should be good to go to pour. And then hopefully we can start putting up walls. So we'll see how far we get in this video, but I'm gonna hook the auger up to the skid steer and then we'll get going on that.
Do you want me to take that off?
got the holes drilled. There's a spot up at the front that was a mound of dirt and rocks that we're just taking and putting it up here for some fill in front of the garage. We're gonna need a lot of fill dirt here, so while we got the skid steer, they sent us the wrong bucket. They sent us a tooth bucket instead of a smooth bucket, so that'll be good to rip through that. So just moving some dirt back and forth. We'll use up what we can up there, and then that'll probably be it with the skid steer.
I'm tired of standing knee deep. I can't get my feet out of it. I got like 25 pounds of mud on my boots.
Can't tell if you hear that, but that's my dad complaining. That's what he does all the time.
Doing 2 jobs now? Double the pay.
All right, no talking, I'm filming. All right, now we got all the holes drilled. We got stakes in. We rebuilt the forms to smaller size because we got 16-inch tubes, 16 and 14s. So we're just doing the same thing we did before, using the laser, getting it level and screwing them in. This one first. You don't have to push down so hard when you're doing that.
I don't realize I am.
And you're standing right in front of the camera.
Oh. Okay.
There's a lot involved in this.
I see that now.
House would already be up if not for filming. We got all the form set and we got the tubes in. So we had just enough. We got 8 in the back, and then they're hard to see, but there's 2 behind me. So we got all those in. We're ready for concrete. We're a couple days out on concrete though, unfortunately. So we'll have to wait for that. My father-in-law and my dad got all the forms off. So these are the 3, 1, 2, 3 that we were short on the first concrete pour. So we'll pour those with the other ones. But we're ready to go for the next pour, and we are hopefully gonna start putting some walls up pretty soon. So that's where I'll leave this video. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you on the next video.
Just walk off the job again? Good.
Would it hurt to say, hey, I'm going to get screws? I'll be right back. He just leaves.
I think yeah. Asking too much.
He's a man of many words.
4 hours later.
Good thing is I've already hit record, so I can put all this stuff in the video.
Oh no.
I know you won't, so I'm okay.
I have to have an outtake reel on these videos.
He's not going to tell anybody helped him. He's going to say, I did it all myself, so we all know that.
All right, I'll hear it in a month from now. Oh, I can't wait to come back and help you on the house again.
Yeah.
Who are you going to hear that from?
You.
Yeah, you know better than that.
I mean, I can't wait to come back and see Leah. It's the same thing.
No, it's not. Not a bit like that. I'll have my other shoulder done just so I can come and just see Leah.